Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. Today I will start a new chapter, the desert region. But before starting new chapter, let's take a quick revision of the previous chapter, the savanna grassland. Climate. The desert region, two type of climate, children, a wet season and the dry season. And there is a large difference between day and night temperature. Rainfall from depend on trade winds in coastal region. The second topic is vegetation. Mostly elephant grass and scattered trees are found in this region, and the trees are flat top and the umbrella shaped. Wildlife. Many thousands of herbivores and the carnivores found in this region, and the many animals are endangered due to excess hunting. Human occupation. When we discuss, so the cattle herders such as a Maasai of East Africa and the agriculture such as houses of Nigeria. So let's start chapter 6, desert region, hot and mid latitude deserts. Children, desert seasons are characterized by very little rainfall and scanty less vegetation. So due to the lack of rainfall, deserts are arid and dry. Due to the lack of moisture, the landscape of the region is absent of trees or any type of vegetation and animals and food. The temperature in summer is too hot and winter the temperature is too cold in this region. Children, look at this map. Two type of color show. The red dark color is hot desert and the red light color is cold desert. Hot desert are found between 20 degree and 30 degree north and the south of the equator. If you will locate these hot desert in the map, you will see this in the western region of the continent. This is due to the trade winds which are blowing in the direction from southeast to northeast. So when these winds reach the western coast, they become totally dry. That is the reason that no rainfall occur due to these dry winds, and these deserts are come under hot desert. Children, Sahara Desert is the largest of hot desert, covering an area of 3.5 million square miles. Other prominent hot deserts include the Great Australian Desert, Arabian Desert, Kalahari Desert, Thar Desert, etc. Hot deserts are also found in the America. In North America, they are known by the names of Mojave, Sonoran, California, and Mexican Desert. They extend between USA and Mexico. In South America, the Atacama Desert and Scandi Desert in Australia is located. Now, cold or mid-latitude desert. In the map, you will show some area in light red color. These deserts are often situated on plateaus. These are the mid-latitude temperate zone. These deserts are present in the mid-area interior of the continent. That is why the rain winds cannot reach up to these regions. Some deserts are present on the eastern side of the continents. Winds are blowing from the west, so these regions are very cold. They include Gobi Desert in China, Turkestan Desert, Patagonian Desert, etc. in India. Ladakh Desert falls under the category. So children, do you know that the temperature in Gobi Desert in daytime in winter goes below -20 degrees Celsius, and in the day dry days the cracks has been seen during day hours. Children, you understood the location of hot and mid latitude desert. Now I will tell you climate. Children, average rainfall in these regions is not more than 25 centimeter. In some parts of Atacama desert there is no rainfall throughout the year. An annual precipitation of less than 2 centimeters. These deserts are some of the hottest places on earth and have high temperature all around the year. They do not have a distinct cold and weather season. There is a great difference between the temperature of day and the temperature of night. The hottest temperature to be recorded was in Libya in 1922. The temperature rose as high as 57 degrees centigrade. Death Valley and California have also recorded high temperature. There are no clouds in the skies, dry air, very little humidity, and a rapid rate of evaporation is very high. These are the reason for such high temperature. The interior region have great difference of extreme temperature, hot summer and cold winters. There are sudden thunder storms are coming. The average diurnal range of temperature is around 14 to 25 degrees centigrade. During winter nights, frost is a common occurrence. Winter experience freezing temperature with very strong and winds blow in the mid-latitude desert. Children, look at this picture. This is cold desert. And this is hot desert. Children, now I will start vegetation of hot and mid-latitude desert. All deserts have some form of vegetation such as grass, scrubs, weeds, etc. The vegetation will become green only when the rainfall occurs. The most common type of vegetation that is found in both hot and mid-latitude desert in the xerophyte. Children, this is important species of these desert are bulbous cacti, long-rooted wiry grasses, and dwarf acacia. In a few regions where there is plenty of groundwater, trees and clusters of date palm can be found in the hot desert. Cactus plants store water in the modified stem. Humus is very less in soil due to the absence of moisture. The scrubs vegetation found in these deserts have a well-developed system of long roots which grow in search of groundwater. They have few or no leaves and their foliage is hairy, waxy or needle-shaped. In order to minimize the loss of water through transpiration, the leaves are converted into spines and thorns. The seeds of these plants have special mechanism to protect themselves. When they too dormant in the form of thick, tough, or the surface, as soon as they get moisture through rain, they germinate and grow in rainy season. Yes children, now I will tell you wildlife. These type of animals are found in this region. Coyote, Bactrian camel, Fennes fox, rhea, roadrunner, and burrowing owls. Now children, so many type of lizard, Fennes fox and rodents are found in this desert. They can live in the burrows in the sand. Some antipodes like addax are also adapted themselves to live in the desert. Various type of insects are also found here. So many birds such as roadrunners and burrowing owls are also found here. So many nocturnal animals, they are only active in night such as coyote, burrowing owls, and kangaroo. Rats are come out from their burrow to feed on the vegetation as the day temperature is too hot for them. The Bactrian camel, two-humped camel, and the wild ass are found in the cold Gobi Desert. In Patagonian deserts in South America, Guanaco and Puna and May are found in cold desert. The hair of alpaca and guanaco are used for making wool. The rhea is a very large flightless bird like ostrich found in these deserts. Single hump Arabian camels are found in these deserts, who have flat, broad padded feet which enable to themselves to run very fast in these deserts. They store water in their stomach and fat their humps. Local people of Bedouins drink camel milk and they are making clothes and rugs from the hair and wool of these camels.